Hi guys, this is one of our custom hose reel racks. We've made a simple, easy to install in the field kit, and it's basically two of these loop rails with connector rails that go across the top, but these are tubes, so they slide in each other. Right here at the top you can see the main rail has a square tube that extends in about 4 inches, and this reel can be cut to length, so this can be any length you need it to be depending on how big the hose reels are. This is really simple to install in the field. It can work with about any hose reel as long as we know what the height's going to need to be, and of course your preference on whether you want the big beefy never fail push button switches, or if you're going to want to use toggle switch or push button for the relay control version. Okay, and for the controls, we have the kit for the controls that includes a mounting plate. This is what it looks like. You can mount the switch on a bracket like this, or you can mount it on the side of the reel without the little plate. But we include some beefy wiring. As long as we know what lengths you need on the wiring, we'll make sure you get big beefy cable, and we always good fuses. Take a closer look here. Everything's neat and clean. Take a look at where the wiring is. Where we go back around to those motors, we use a great big maxi fuse to control the power. These things require 30 amps to run, so we put a 40 amp fuse on these things to protect the motors and all the electrical. This was set up with a 60 amp fuse back at the battery because it's on the opposite side and runs underneath the truck. So we wanted to protect the electrical from any thing going wrong. So with that 60 amp fuse, even if somebody runs both hose reels at the same time, we're not going to have any nuisance fuse blows. But those are big maxi fuses, and we've wired it underneath the floor so that there's nothing across the thoroughfare in this configuration. Neat and sweet, allows you to go fast. But this is a very simple kit that we're putting on our website. Enjoy it. This example happens to be the 12-inch wide Reelcraft hose reels, electric rewind. This one has our upgrade high flow swivel for the garden hose, so it'll fast fill a water tank or feed directly a fairly large pressure washer. This one behind me is 5.5 gallons a minute and 4,000 psi, going to be pressure fed for the rest of its life. But we've got 200 feet of high pressure hose on this reel with the standard all stainless steel reel. Again, it's a 12-inch wide Reelcraft electric rewind. Real super simple to rewind your stuff, and it's neat and compact. I mean, it really jams into the corner. And this is a transit van, which has a nice head clearance, and this fits really easily in here. And if it wasn't for this simplified adjustable bracket, I wouldn't be able to just send you one. This is a simple kit, guys.